until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Mississippi, and New Madrid, and the following